Hi everyone, it's always nice to meet you in a new episode of our Gold Price Weekly Forecast Gold. Today we're going to start our video with a quick review of the gold performance on the last week. But before getting through the numbers, just let me take your attention to the fact that we do have a full free membership to our free access to our Telegram room, and you will find the link in the description of this video. Moving to gold, on the last trading session of Friday, gold spot printed a closing price at above $1,947 per ounce. Numbers rounded and the market is closed. And on the last week, gold traded as low as $1,915 per ounce and as high as $1,948 per ounce. Numbers rounded and the market is closed. Gold is trading in a bull trend. It's currently trading above its all daily simple moving averages, and I do believe that we might see some continuation to the upside. For the RSI readings, it's moderate on the daily chart, weekly chart, and monthly chart. And for the RSI, for the support levels, we are having the first support at $1,935 per ounce, then $1,890, then $1,877. Resistance levels, it's $1,965, then $2,010, then $2,070 per ounce. The pivots on the weekly at 1936, and on the daily chart for the last trading session at 1940. That's all for numbers. Moving now to the calendar. Now on the economic calendar for the coming week from the United States, we're waiting for highly important economic headlines. The CPI, it's highly important on Tuesday, then the PPI on Wednesday, and the retail sales on Thursday, and Friday it's a holiday in the whole markets. That's all for the economic calendar. Moving now to the trading strategy. Hi again, it's always nice to meet you in a new episode of our Gold Price Weekly Forecast Gold today. If you are new for this part of the video, just let me guide you how this works. We're going to start with a quick recap, then we will examine the US dollar chart, then gold chart. Then we'll try to find the most suitable trading idea or ideas for the upcoming week. Now, on the last video, we happened to be somehow bearish on gold, bearish because there is two head and shoulders patterns on the chart, and we have been expecting gold to go all the way down up to 1877, but gold did the other way around, declined only to 1915, and then found some sort of a support and bounced back. Starting with the US dollar, US dollar is bullish. If you are watching my videos, you know this, that I've happened to be bullish on the US dollar for almost now, you can say about a year. And it goes exactly alongside my expectations. The US dollar is traded last week briefly above 100 in terms of DXY, and I think it's heading to 100, 1.5, then 103 or 104 in the coming few weeks. I don't advise you to short the US dollar at all. And by that, I don't advise you to buy either pound or euro or anything else. Now, what is the connection between gold and US dollar, and why gold is not responding for the US dollar movements? Gold is going to respond to the US dollar movement. It's not living in another planet. It's living with us, and it's going finally, ultimately, to respond, but this is going to happen so suddenly and so dramatically. For now, we have had this small head and shoulder pattern playing on the chart for the last week, and we have seen gold struggling below 1947, which is the neckline of the head and shoulder. So since the market closed on the last trading session, which has happened to be the closing weekly and daily above this level, above 1947, this is some sort of a bullish signal, which would somehow, I think, so far it will trigger some sort of a rally to the upper neckline, which is at 1965 for the bigger head and shoulder. And if we pass from there, you can see 2000 or even maybe 2050. But after that, there will be a sell. There will be a massive sell in this market, especially if the US dollar past 101 or 102. That will trigger a liquidation in the overall markets, and you will see all the screen red, especially gold will be the most red. Now, to summarize, gold could be a buy up to 1965. If you close above 1965, you can see 2010 to 2050. After that, it's a sell up to 1877. That's all for our video for this week. Thank you guys for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. And join us on our free Telegram room. The link is in the description, and hopefully I will see you next week in another video.